Today is freezing cold in Austin, Texas. It doesn't happen that often, but when it does, I want soup. I want creamy taco soup, to be exact. I've pulled out the Instant Pot. We're gonna use the slow cooker method, and we're gonna warm up our bellies. Let's do it. My goal always is to help you get a meal on the table fast and fuss-free. Don't forget, the recipe is always in the description below. I'm breaking up 2 pounds of ground beef, and I have the Instant Pot set on sauté. So we're gonna brown this up, and I use a potato masher to kind of break it up. Down below I have Amazon links with a meat chopper that's really nice. I need to order one myself. I just haven't done it yet, but you can check that out in the links below. I didn't end up with much grease, so I'm just using a paper towel to kind of sop that up and get it out of there. I don't want a greasy soup, but if you end up having a lot of grease, you can use a turkey baster to get it out or drain it in a strainer, whatever your usual method is. Add your diced onions and stir and sauté for another minute or two. We're going to add garlic powder, onion, and salt, oregano, smoked paprika, you can use regular paprika, chili powder, red pepper flakes, and cumin. Give this a nice stir, sauté it for another minute. Add a can of diced green chilies. I chose the hot variety. And crushed tomatoes. Add some beef stock or broth, your choice. I tend to use stock because I find that it has more flavor. You could also use bone broth if you choose. Add some bay leaf and chopped cilantro. I realize not everybody likes cilantro. You can use parsley or just leave this step out. Also add some frozen corn and some beans. I use black beans for this recipe. Pinto is great in here. Whatever kind you like, make sure you drain and rinse them. Give it a really good stir. Put your lid on your Instant Pot. And now I'm going to use the slow cooker mode. You can pressure cook it. I'm choosing to have soup smell in my house all day. After 2 hours, I'm adding cream cheese to the mix, and I'm gonna slow cook it for another hour. And now is the perfect time to think about your toppings. You could use tortilla chips. Nope, not today. We are going to make our own. It is so easy, and I had tortillas that need to be used, so why not make fresh tortilla strips to top your soup? Preheat your oil to around 350 degrees, somewhere in the area anyway. I'm going to fry these in small batches because I don't want to use too much oil for such a small task. This just takes a couple minutes. Make sure they're nice and golden brown. Drain them on a paper towel and make sure to salt them right away so the salt adheres. Well, that was easy. I'm so hungry. This soup is so satisfying. It's got that creamy texture and it tastes like tacos, but it warms you up on a nice cold day. Go ahead and put toppings of your choice on here. I'm choosing shredded cheese, the tortilla strips that are freshly made, yum, and some chopped cilantro and sliced avocado. Thanks for watching, enjoy your soup, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!